Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you guys. I seem to be on a bit of a Louis Vuitton kick lately for some reason. I feel like my last couple of unboxings have been Louis Vuitton ones, but anyway, this is a new item that was just released this past week, so I was really happy to get my hands on it. Let's get right into the unboxing. So here is the box and the receipt. So here is the box with the pretty Christmas ribbon. They were out of the Christmas bags because it is after Christmas now, so and here is the dust bag to reveal. Here is the trio pouch. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you each of the pieces and I'll show you the tag information. So that is the code in case you are looking for this item, and that's the textile card. So this, like I said, this item just was launched. I believe it was on Friday and today's Saturday, so it's Saturday, January 4th, and my SA was nice enough to hold this piece for me because I knew I wanted it. So it has, I guess, 4 different parts to it. So this is the little wristlet, which is really cute in the reverse monogram with the black leather. And then it's got 3 removable pieces. So the largest one is the giant monogram. And I love the zipper pull. So that's what the zipper pull looks like. And then the inside is black, and it's like a wipeable lining. And this was made in France. So each piece has this little clip, so it can clip onto the wristlet like that. And then the next piece again has the really pretty zipper pull, and it's in the reverse monogram, again with the black interior. And so it can clip on as well, like that. And then the third piece is, like, I guess similar to the round coin purse, and it has the regular monogram color, but it's like a smaller, like, mini monogram, which is really cute. And it also has the really nice zipper pull, and again the black interior, and it also clips the same way onto the wristlet. So you can use these all together, you can use them separately, you can use 1, 2, or 3 on the wristlet or without the wristlet. So I think it's a really versatile piece. I think it's going to be so handy to keep this in my work bag with kind of the stuff I need to just grab and go when I have my work coat with me and I just want to grab this and go for lunch or coffee, or just have to go in and run errands. This is exactly the kind of thing I needed, so I'm really, really happy to have it. I think it's really cute with the reverse, the giant, and the mini monogram, and the really pretty details. I will do a first impressions review and to give you an idea of what fits in each pouch and kind of compare it to some of my other SLGs so you get an idea of size. But I just wanted to make this a really quick unboxing just to show, because I know a lot of people are interested in this piece because it's brand new. So I just thought I'd show it quickly. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it to a short video, and then, like I said, I'll do a first impressions review really soon. I will share the price though. Let me just see my receipt here. So in Canadian dollars, it was $1,430 plus tax. So with tax, where is the with tax price here? Sorry, on the Louis Vuitton receipt, it doesn't have the tax on it for some reason. So with tax, 13% here in Ontario, it came to a total of $1,615.90. So that is the price in Canadian dollars. I'm not 100% sure what the price is in US dollars. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.